Hello! Today, I am going to show you how I make a very basic voxel character in RPG in a box using an external pixel art image that I will create based on this reference picture. In my graphic editor of choice, I will create the sprite in a 24 by 24 pixel size canvas. For the purpose of this tutorial, I shall only create a front view of this character. This will be all that we need. After I have my sprite ready, I'll open an empty project in RPG in a box, head to the voxel editor, and create a new character. I will choose its size to be the same as the sprite I made previously, 24 pixels tall, 24 pixels wide, and 24 pixels deep. Next, while having the default front view open, I will click on the Import from Image button on the toolbar above the editing area and select my sprite. This will create a flat 2D representation of it in voxels at the far end of the front view. I will use the selection tool to select all current voxels, turn the camera around so it's facing either the left or right view, and click on the positioning arrows in the top right corner to bring the flat sprite to the center of the box. Next, I'll select the body section of the sprite, leaving the arms and legs unselected, and will move the body a few pixels close to the front. With the body of the sprite still selected, I will press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to make a copy of it. Then, while still in placement mode, I shall move the copy of the body a similar amount in pixels in the opposite direction. I will then use the Place Voxels tool and the Paint Voxels tool to fill up the empty space by placing voxels of the same color in a straight line, and then I will paint details on the back view of the character using the Paint Voxels tool, so that it's not a mirror image of the front view. Finally, I will make both the legs and the arms one voxel thicker. Our very basic character is now complete. You can now proceed to add even more details or begin animating it. As you can see, creating your own characters is quite easy and a delight using RPG in a box. You can use this exact technique to do characters that can be a little more complex, like this dog named Pudding, who was made by importing both a front view and a side view sprite into RPG in a box. Maybe next time I will show you how to do it. Thank you for watching, my dear friend. You are a lovely and wonderful person. Until we meet again.